Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to draw a happy world. How happy world it is. Whole world which is a very happy with our nature, with our good habits, with our good doing. Take your pencil. Now we are going to start. One circle. If you are not fine with your circle, you can take it bowl. Here one circle is there. Now few scalps of the earth. You can make it irregular shapes. Even also you can use your wave line. Here our earth is ready. Now I want to show a smiling earth. Here one curve. Here one more curve. Here a lens with an oval shape. And one more lens inside. This is an eye and this is a lens. Same thing here. One eye and one lens with the oval shape. One nose and one smile. It is a happy world. Now I want to show a world very greeny. So I am going to make it few bushes. There is our bushes. Even also I want to make a tree. One tree by a curve line. Here our tree. Here our fresh atmosphere. So few cloud. Again few cloud. Where people are using solar panel. So I am showing that as a solar panel. Here is our solar panel. A natural source, they are going to use it. And one house where that electricity is going to use. A small house on a small earth. Now this is our solar panel. You can make it some patterns on that. Here is our solar panel. Now some air power stations here. This is our air power stations. By the air we can create electricity. It is a fresh air which has been consuming for electricity. And I am not showing any kind of pollutions inside. So it is a fresh, even also natural sources is used like it is in house for consuming electricity. Even nature for food. Nature trees for food, for livelihood for birds, even also giving a shadow, and it's good for earth. Now here is our happy earth. Now we are going to fill color inside. Take it your oil pastel color, wax color, whatever you have it. We are going to take it our oil pastel colors. Now I am taking sky blue color for covering the earth water area. Our earth is been covered with 70% of water, so maximum we are covering with our sky blue color for showing the water. There I am covering the border first. slowly because it's small, quite small. Take care about this. Even also this drawing is also useful in your EVS drawing. Kids, छोटे छोटे जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको EVS एनवायरमेंटल साइंस के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल हो सकता है ये ड्राइंग. First do border, kids, very slowly, so color cannot get inside. Here my sky blue border is going to finish. Do it slowly because it is very small. Here my earth water is finished. I want to shade little bit inside, so I will be keeping this portion little bit white and going to blend up with a white color. I'm covering a maximum portion with a sky blue color, and then lastly I'm going to take it my white color. I'm taking white color. Take care about eyes, kids. Now I'm going to take it white. I am blending with spiral method. You can mix up with round and round position here. If it is going on mouth, we can rub it with cloth afterwards. I will show you afterwards how to clean up. First I am blending water with sky blue and white color. I am making water. Here my water is ready. I'm not going in eyes. Here I'm taking a cloth for cleaning our smile. Little bit rub the cloth, even also in eyebrow. Now I am going towards green color. I am taking light green color. Even same thing I am going to blend it in green color in bushes too also. Here I am showing greens. Half green and half yellow. I am blending it in yellow. I want to show a fresh land here. Now I am going to take it yellow. Blending it with color in a spiral mode. Here my shade is done. Same thing in another position. Light green there. If you want to do whole border first, yes, you can do it. And rest of inner part I will be keeping as it is for blending yellow color. Now I'm taking yellow color to blend inside. Here my yellow color is done. Now I am going towards light brown. One land I want to show as a muddy land. So brown color. I am doing the border brown color, and again I am going to blend it with yellow color. Here yellow color. Now in bushes again green color. I will be doing a standing mode because I will blend a yellow color in a standing mode. Do it in standing mode. Blend it with standing mode. Here I done my bushes. Now going towards tree. Again light green color. I'm covering the border first and yellow color in center. Here my tree is done. Now bit yellow color inside for showing my greeny bushes of the tree that I covered, and light brown color in the log. It is very small, so I am not going to blend it. Now I am going to take it sky blue in cloud. First I will take it border and then white color mix up till down. I did it half. Now I am going to take it white color to show little bit shades inside. Here my cloud is ready. Same thing in another cloud. There I am covering a sky borderline, top borderline with a curve. It is with a curve. Now I am going to take it white, blending up downside. Here I am taking light brown color for my house walls and red color on a roof. This house I made it for using the electricity which has been consumed from solar panel. Now sky blue color, few sky blue color light toning for showing the atmosphere. Make it very light. I am filling my backdrop. Make it very light. So it can be you can fill your whole page by giving a light shades. Here our happy earth is ready. Even also you can use it in project kids. Enjoy kids.